It comes from an amalgam of a consistent history, the sophistication of his simplicity, combined ontologically with the kind of experiences he's had. A man that is emotionally stable, has gone all through the political ladder, is financially stable. That's the kind of person that can drive and lead a party. So he's not a chairman that you can buy over with money. He has passed the stage of looking for money.
Their parties are parties that we have known and they have known us. If today I came here to tell His Excellency formally that I will run for the office of the national chairmanship of the APC, if by grace of God I become the chairman, you people should go to sleep. I mean, nobody can manipulate or rig us out through under any means. Whatever they know one, we know 10.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.